don't know, it's Big John 2000 with the dancehall explosion, and today I'm joined with a special guest, a rising star who's been putting in the work for over 2-3 years. He's got a brand new album out on the streets, and he's here to talk about it and to talk about his journey also. So with no further ado, we welcome you to Birmingham Veg. You see me?
Yeah.
J Written, respect our manners, brother.
Blessings and
welcome,
life,
you know?
Yes, I give joy. It's an honor being here, you know?
So how you doing in the UK? How you feel in the UK since you've been here?
Well, the UK cold, but the music scene hot, you know? So we feel good.
True. How long have you been here in the UK? When did you reach?
I've been here since September. Guess what man said? Like, I think it was like the middle of September. I've been keeping quiet, just like, you know, privately doing the work without all of the bangarang. But it quickly became a bit loud once no say I there scene. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I never know the music scene in the UK did so.
Is
nice,
your first time here in the UK?
Yeah, I'm here to tell you, man. My first time in the fridge.
Once in the fridge, you know.
Yeah,
so where about in Birmingham or the UK have you been so far?
I've been,
if you can remember.
Yeah, I've been all over, seeing, well, as I said, Birmingham, London.
Veg.
Yeah, Birmingham, yeah, big thank you.
Birmingham Veg.
Yeah, Birmingham Veg. We've been London, is it Norwich? Yeah, Norwich, Manchester. We've been quite some places, isn't it? I can't remember all of it, but we've been all over.
And you have a whole lot more place to go before you leave.
Yeah, man, a whole lot more things to do, but we have to do right as a right now.
True. So how long will you be in the UK for?
I'm here. I'm leaving very soon. I don't have much longer here, for personal reasons. Seeing I have some things I need to go deal with, but we're going to be back very, very soon. You know?
Okay. And while you've been here, have you performed anywhere?
Yeah, we do a few things. The other night, let me tell you what was really surprising. Jamja.
Yeah, on a Monday night.
Yeah, the vibes at Jamja nice.
Jamja Mondays.
Yeah, I did know I did like it because Jamja sound like
Yeah.
So
you would have come in a little bit like where you would have said dub club or one of them places there.
So I did feel nice about it, and I love sound system kind of setting. So when I see one's own turntable, it was just a nice energy, you know?
Yeah. So big up Mikey Tough and Robin and
big up all of them lions there, you know. I tell you one time we there and it's like the man them energy supersede mine, and I said, I'm gonna match this. You know, and we just have to get up and do what we have to do. But the people them there, they were phenomenal and everything, man. Trust me.
Good vibes, man. Every Monday it go on, man. Every Monday, and people always support it, you know. So big up the Jam Jar crew.
Yeah.
So tell us about your journey. How did it all start for you from the beginning, you know?
Well, music professional. I've been doing music professionally, like singing, maybe about 8 years. I don't want to get wrong information. It's probably more, it's probably less.
Roundabout then.
Yeah, but I've been singing around that time. But I've always been involved in music, like engineering, I say, building beats, writing for people, doing a lot of these things, because really and truly, when my journey started, I didn't want to be the man in front of a camera.
You shy like that?
It's never shy like that. I just think a lot of ones pretend in front of a camera. So I say, and me is a real youth who don't like pretend, so I just tell you what I think. But it's a good thing. What I think is positive.
Well, it's good for you to talk the truth, because you don't really want to gas up people when them things not really up to schedule, if you know what I say. But some people will gas them up and say, yeah man, you're going good, and the song not really, you understand?
Even that I never too dig the fake energy thing. Seeing so a lot of ones would like, them would sometimes they do some things I just say, you wouldn't like a song, but when I see the artist, I tell him, you're the baddest thing ever. So I say, but really and truly as an artist, I really want to hear why you not like it, so we can improve.
Just be truthful, man, because that's the only way you can do better.
Yes, in a way, that's why I never want to be the man up front. But when the mission came, when it came calling was when my niece started, because I sing in the bathroom and I do a lot of writing, and my writing is always been positive. Even when I was influenced by certain negative things, it's always been about overlooking the situation that we're dealt. Yes, so I say so. Even when we live in the inner cities and thing, I never sit down and sing say I want to shoot, man. So I say I want to do this, I want to do that. You understand? What I stood for was righteousness. You understand? And righteousness over unconsciousness. Seeing, because someone did feel like consciousness is when you go out there, you do your best and job works and thing. Conscious is just a state of being aware. Seeing, so you be aware of what you're doing and be aware of what you're saying and show people that they should be aware also. So I didn't want my nieces and my nephews to be listening to certain things, and people respected me so much. I was like, I'm going to give them the right message to go forward. So that's when I really started to sing, you know.
So your niece was one of them where motivate you and give words of inspiration for making it.
Up to the other day, like I think it was like 2 days ago, she called me and she was like, I know your new song, you know.
What's her name?
Her name is Destiny.
Okay, yeah. Destiny.
And I was like, what's my new song? And she was, we've got works to do.
Should I sing it to you?
I sing it, and then my nephew jump on the phone. That's not the new one. That's not the new one. And him come out and he was like, and everything cool like Sunday morning. And I'm like, oh, mad. Yeah, so that two of like my biggest supporters. I know I have people who buy music, but when I go home and I look at them, I feel charged. I want to do more.
Yeah, that's man. Good. That's good. So where about in Jamaica are you from?
Well,
town or country or
it's the city Kingston, you know. Them
Kingstonian.
Yeah, concrete jungle. Them say, you know. I born in a place named Painland. Seeing Tavares Garden, if you hear the name Painland,
yeah, man,
you know
where it's Painland, man. Yeah, man.
Seeing, we move a lot because we never reach. That's what I say. And my parents never want to stay too long at one place, because when you stay too long, you get influenced by the community, which is true. Since I have to give thanks for that, I ended up getting to see Cockburn Pen, 2 Mile, Trenchtown. Then I still back at Trenchtown now.
That's where you reside now?
No, I don't reside there, but what I'm there every day. Seeing we're there keeping the music alive, giving back to Trenchtown what it's given to us. See me, I say, right now I'm in 2 Mile, but it's not far from the community, but it's like a stone's throw away. Seeing, like, so when I tell people where I'm from, most of the time them feel like it's just one spot. I would have said the whole of Spanish Town Road in a Kingston from Seaview go straight to downtown. So I say is my place. I've lived in this community at one point in my life, go straight through. So I say, and them people are people who support I. So I say I can't walk without a one, and it feels good when you walk.
And man, I hear you, and people are showing you love.
Yeah, cause them know where I come from, and them I say, yo, bro, my respect say you were that you're deep in something and decided say a light you look for instead of darkness.
True.
See, and then when another little youth see the next man and them say, yo, me see you on TV, you see me, and stuff, and yo, I want to be just like that. Yo, me can come to the studio with you today.
You inspire the youths.
I feel good, man. So yeah, man.
So what's the studio in Trenchtown that you use?
It's jamming. It's jamming. It's a little, I would call it an oasis in a desert. Someone's, and everyone's know say it there. But every time them pull up, even on the outside, them be like, I can't a good studio in there, but when them come and them say
the inside,
and them say everything professionally done.
Can't judge a book, you know?
But I do understand that sometimes the angle that you look at things at is the way you judge it, because you can't say don't judge the road when you cross it. You have to look up and down and
that's
say,
right. Make sure the road clear.
Yeah, seeing, so I do understand that, but the studio has been like good to me.
So that's the main studio that you use?
Yeah, that's the main studio I use. I went there once and DJ Lance, I don't know if you know DJ Lance, I'm sing She Na Like a Dog, and him have this big hit song all over the world. So I say, and him see me and he was like, yo, I'm going there, and I say, yo, brother, I want a chance. Me have another brethren, and him just like, yo, don't worry, I'm going to get the microphone. And then one day him fling the microphone for me and say, you see rhythm there, and them not even give me time for listen to rhythm. I just had to hear rhythm and just start DJ, and then from that they have been a staple in the studio.
Okay, so
yeah, man.
Was you ever working on like sound systems or singing in churches or?
I was building my own sound and
what sound is that?
Aces.
Okay,
Aces.
Did you build it in the end?
I want to do it now.
Oh, okay.
I want to do it now, but that's where it started because I was selecting. But
so you select all-purpose youth.
Yeah, I want to tell you, as I said, I didn't want to be a singer, so those were the kind of things.
Yeah, that's what you wanted to do. Yeah.
See, so when like I did a select, and I get no major gigs because it's like little birthday parties with a little piece of laptop, and my laptop always a broke down.
See, so it's not an Apple Mac.
No. I want to tell you, I never. It's like I did have to walk with a PC. And my next brethren, my brethren them support me.
Walk with a monitor or whatever.
Walk with my monitor and my keyboard with an extension.
Wow.
Yes, so I say, and then the next man would walk with something, and I succumbs would I reach a dance, and when them see we plug up a whole Dell computer, everybody think of something weird, but we say no man, we do it, man, we do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah. It was nice. It was a nice experience leading up to these moments, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
so now you have an Apple Mac now where you can use, right?
Yeah.
You're up the game.
We have studio anywhere we go.
Yeah, man, that's good, man.
Yeah,
that's good, man. So the name J Written, how that name there? How you get that name there?
It was an auntie, you know. The name come about, I tell everybody the name come about as I was an informer. See, yeah, man, I was an informer because my sister them used to rude and come out of the house and thing. But
so you used to always tell upon them?
I used to write like what happened through the day, like a newspaper.
See.
And when my parents or my auntie or somebody would have found that I see today's newspaper. Yes.
And then just go and read what go on.
Yeah, and I would have signed it as written by J. You see me, kind of my mind, somebody say young, me I say, J is anonymous. But I'm alone in the house with a J name. See, it was different from my mother. You see me, and she read it so she couldn't explain herself. So, them used to always say, all right, Mr. Written by J, I see it. You see me, till it reach, all right, Mr. Written, till it reach
I'm going to ask you what the J stand for, if it was for your name or something.
I want to tell you personally, spiritually, the J stand for many different things to I. So when I say, like, a lot of people connect it with my first name, Jason, that is cool, is what I say. But
because I would have thought so as well.
It is more logically in the heavens like that, but reality, in my psyche, J represented so much because so much representation of J has been crucial to history. You know, when it comes to Jesus, Jehovah, Jerusalem, all of these things, the J was crucial. So I say, and then it was a letter that was debated that it even existed throughout that time. See, so I like to tell people that even though them say the J is silent, so a lot of people still come just you're written. You see
some people call it written.
Some people say J written, some people say written.
Oh, okay.
See, so yeah, man.
Yeah. You just don't write songs alone. You write poems, speeches, essays. Tell us about that, no?
I show off with my pen in it. Yes,
nothing wrong with that. If you show off, yes, brother and boss.
I'm proud of the talent.
Because a lot of people don't really like to use their pen, to be honest.
I can't even, to be very honest, I learned when I was growing up, like, when I wanted to learn something, I wrote it. Seeing, so if you teach me a word, don't just spell it to me and think. Once I write it, I'm familiar with it in my heavens. So I say, so I know, find the understanding and such and such. So when it came to like school thing, I remember my first brush with writing was this brethren named Kensworth in Feisty, because I was reading some poems and stuff in class, and then, but I never really had do poems like that. I just write, and then if him go up and him poem go sound, shut, the whole class I clap, and I said, no, this nah stand for me.
Yeah, some better than your one.
Yeah, so in my mind I found competition to be good. Me, so I decided, say, even though I have a poem thing for do the next day, I decided I want to present my English teacher, my literature teacher, and every single body, every teacher I know with something so pretty. Them have to acknowledge me.
Yeah.
Seeing, so I wrote a poem about how people, how cars abuse flowers, you know, upon the roadside when like when a car pass and the flowers would have bend and then toops side would have slowly go away. That's what man says. So I don't even remember the title of the poem, but it was something like that, flowers. But up to this day I have that poem just written in a book. Said like I want to frame it because it started the journey of writing when it comes to like deep meditation towards writing for me. So it was really, when I started writing essays, it was really to compete, and then when I started writing poems, it was to seek admiration from people. But then I started to teach myself with the words. Seeing, so it transformed something more spiritual for I.
So do you write poems for people or speeches, or is it just for yourself?
I do a lot.
Anybody who we know? Any famous poets?
I do, but I'll be very honest with you. I keep the writing very anonymous. Seeing, because some ones them really reach out to I because them lacking the ability to do so.
So he's what you call a ghostwriter.
Yeah, well, not ghost. We're a living writer, but we're not.
Not duffy
We're not informer again. Yeah, man. So it's a thing like that.
What school did you attend?
Bridgeport. I have a big up Bridgeport, everything. Bridgeport High School, from Greater Portmore, from Jeb Center, basic, right across from Painland to Greater Portmore Primary to Bridgeport High. It was phenomenal. Like the Bridgeport School is good. Like as I tell you, I went there, I developed so much different talents there. That's why I say, even when we used to have like lunchtime and Facebook, them time the Facebook like
just come out.
Yeah, and everybody would have beat decks and then upload. I was writing songs for all of them man that would go viral on Facebook thing in my school, isn't it? So yeah, I'm proud of myself when I see it.
True. We're proud of you too, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, while being at school, you started a dance troupe.
Yeah.
Tell us about the name of the group and how many members it consists of.
It was Aces. It was Aces. The name of the group was Aces.
Same name as your sound.
Yeah, well, that's why the name the sound Aces.
It makes sense now.
Yeah. It was mainly, it was in school, but it was mainly out of school. Like we did have like in school people from the school come into, but it was mainly out of school because I don't know, but from I was a youth I wanted to help people who never have a different way out. Seeing, so I was like, yo, let me teach you dancing. So I became like a dance teacher and building a squad, and we start taking on a whole of the big dancer them in Kingston. You see what I say, from Shelly Valley to Arville to Raddy Rich to ever, and then it reached a point where we're so good. We so good them start calling us for music videos and thing, but we never get paid for anything.
Did you win any competitions, or did you enter any competitions?
The biggest competition I remember entering was Dancing Dynamite, and we go up there and we did well. And then after,
what year was that, if you can remember?
I don't remember actually.
Was you still at school at the time then?
No, I think I just left school. See, I think we just left school because I couldn't go while my guy got in a school. My parents said I'm mad. But I do remember doing so well, and the judge them I give the passes and the tickets to go through to the next round, and we last in a celebration. You see what I say? We just walk with every ticket them. You see me? And then the people that email me, but when I read email as you them time. You see me? So it
probably
was like,
you never really have access to.
We did think say them give you the blessing, just show up at the next show. You see me? But we have to collect the tickets, set the thing them and rate it, and we never know all of that. And when we see it I go up on TV and we realize when I get in a call or nothing, and we say, which one I would have left number? No, I would have left a phone number. But it was good enough to know, say, we passed through them something there. And when it comes to street dancing, we were the man. So the competition never really just stand. We win a lot of competition through NHT, different programs. So I say, but Dancing Dynamite, we really want to do that. But
So the members of the dance group, were they in the sound as well?
Yeah, a few of them.
Okay, how much of them? How much was in the group and how much was in the sound?
We had, at first the group started out as 4 as a skanker thing. Then it moved to like about 18, 20 people because as I said, I started to teach people. So I say, and parents would send them kids to me for like, yo, follow the youth here, him keep positive. You see what I say? And even though I was kind of like a youth where everybody looked to, even the dance and thing, them would have just always like, yo, the youth here, him level headed.
Have potential.
Yes, what I say, stick around the youth. So I used to have like a barrage of youth. Straight up, I started business for them during the dancing thing, cause we got thief some jerk pan one day, and Mark me say, you have lunch money, so that week you do the work and then I split that money there for the lunch money. Bear in mind, me not lunch money for myself.
But yeah, look out for others.
Yeah.
Wow.
We after the jerk pan thing, we started like, alright, we'll chop the grass for them old people, we can't chop them grass. That's what I say. And the money that will come in now, that are for the girl them over there, so that's what I say. You know, yeah, so once the link more when they want to go a barber shop and things, so when it turns sound system, everybody wanted to be, but so much people can't carry box.
Yeah. No
so
way.
People could carry box, and we never have that much for the, you see me? So yeah. But it was like, well, maybe 5 or 6 of them were really started something serious.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay. You're not just a singer, you make beats and rhythms. Is there any rhythms that we should know about where you make and it come out famous, or you don't really want?
Yeah, I can tell you a situation.
Yeah, man.
I remember one time I was in my house, and at the time we have this, we say we build a label named ATP. You see me? It was like Ace's top floor production. That's what I say. And I was building beats, and a producer approached me and he was like, yo, I heard something somebody sent to me. And I was like, mad. And him say him know this big artist. I don't want to call names, but him say him know this big artist. And
call the name, man. Yeah, give them props though.
Yeah, him name did it. I don't know.
Okay.
So it's like them say, yo, bro, think tough. I say, mad. And my brother bad cousin say, yo, send him the beat. Because at the time, nobody now fused Afrobeat with dancehall. Yes, so I said, but my little program, Fruity Loops, give me some Afrobeat loops, and I start mixing the little dancehall thing with it, you see me? And then when I gave it to them, as funny as it be, it was terrible execution by my side when it comes to building it. But they did something over and created based off that concept, and I was proud of myself. Okay. Yes, when I said they came and them give me a thanks and thing. You see me, of course you want more than a thanks as a youth. But it was good. I was you know, I feel good for no say somebody did even like the concept of what we do as a youth.
Yeah.
You see me, yeah.
So them never draw back for you if you do no more work for them?
No, they were trying to, but I became so in depth in like singing and thing.
Yeah.
It was just not my thing anymore.
Okay.
But I introduced them to brethren who I taught the process of engineering and things. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Name us some of the artists them who inspire you, you know?
Like when it comes to inspiration, you have Buju, Garnick, Freddie McGregor, Dennis Brown, and it even moved far from reggae. You have Tupac.
Yeah, man, the whole of them, man.
A whole heap of people, you know, because I love Adele's sound. Yes, I love singers. I love people who sing and feel it. John Legend. Yeah, I can name a lot of names because truly, as long as they do a song where inspire me at a point in time, I will continue to follow and just look. So I say, and it will inspire me for the more.
Yeah, me personally, me is a dancehall selector.
Mad.
But if me tell you one of my favorite artists was Maxwell.
Mad.
Bad singer.
Mad.
Yeah, you see me? The man enough for all them notes. You know what me I say?
Me for tell you.
Yeah, man, one of the best singers and him not really get the respect he deserve.
No.
You know what I mean? So like you say, you don't just listen to reggae artists
Nah, I want to the frightened when them coming at my house on a Sunday and hear big sound a play and a jazz a play.
You see it are some Jim Reeves and them thing there. Cause them thing that we born pants still, you know.
More while I put on some opera music, you see me, like, and just hear Luciano.
Pavarotti.
Yeah, Luciano, and just a one. I call him Luciano. You see me?
Yeah.
But yeah, man.
Alright, when you're creating a song, how do you come with the idea? Do you start with the beat first, the lyrics, or the melody?
It totally depends, and
sometimes it can be
tell you.
Either one.
Yeah, I remember sitting out the door one day and the breeze just tell me, yo, that drum pattern that the way for go. And I just go in from jump
and knock it on.
And then after that came bass, and then after bass came lyrics, and then after lyrics you get keys and phrases and stuff. But it works any other way. Yeah, sometimes a lyrics, sometimes a keys, sometimes a phrases, sometimes, you know. I can't tell you which one start any of them.
So what's your favorite part of making music? Is it like recording, producing, or performing?
I love performing, to be very honest with you, but when I say favorite, it's like it being in the studio, like producing it. That's what I mean, being in the studio, getting it from concept A to concept B till it's done. You know, you go over a million different patterns and sounds, and you're like, yeah, man, with that. Yeah, man. So,
is there any particular songs of yours that hold a lot of personal meaning? If so, which one and why?
There's two. There's one from the album I did the other day, and there's one that's not off the album, saying Nothing Like Love it held a lot of meaning to me because I wanted to show people love without it being from a significant other. Seeing I wanted to write a love song for my brethren and my sister, my mother, my father, because everybody feel like love have to do with like intercourse.
Yeah.
Seeing, and then off the album,
love from the heart you deal with.
Yeah, you know, the man Adrian them free to tell is love, you know.
Yeah.
I can love Adrian, man. And then from
brotherly love, man. How you mean, man?
See, and then you have this track what we call Keep People Poor. See, it stands with me because I remember just looking out of my window, and then this beat coming in my head. You know, old school dancehall pattern, and I was looking at how we in our community keep the community. Yes, when I say a politician come in an election time and him tell us, say, yo, brother, more them they get kicked down because them have to go vote, and then you'd just collect the money and go kick down the gate and force the people to vote for what them not really believe in. So I say, so keep, and it's a constant cycle of the people keeping themselves poor. Seeing, because just because them pay me at the moment, I go force you to do something where you don't want, where it's a bad decision in the long run for you. So I say, I believe in a government, but I don't believe in corruption in a government. So I say, so keep the people poor stood for me like that. It was my way of telling people that we needed to. This is happening and we see it. We all see
That's what
it.
they're all about, to keep the people, especially ghetto people. To keep the ghetto people poor.
The whole I will see it, because when I talk to any one of them, when I talk to any one of girls, them, any one of man, them know what happened. But them keep them, just because the opportunity for pay yourself is there at the moment, them will go light a house.
Yeah.
Them will go light a house and run a man out of the community because I'm not vote for the right party.
Yeah.
So I
take people life on them something
there. Yeah, man.
Which is wrong, you know.
It stood a lot to me, and I really want people to listen it. So I really want them to hear it, you see me?
Yeah.
Give it a moment.
So you're not with politician.
Well, as I said, I have no problem with politics and our government. I have a problem with corruption in it, because I believe a system governs all things. If an freedom system is me and your system, and me and your system still can be opposed by a minority, because I know everybody like the way we run things. I say, so whether it be JLP, PNP, Trump, whatever, whether it be Russia, Ukraine, whatever. So when I say somebody will still not feel good about the system that is in place. So when I say what I fight is corruption in a system. So when I say corruption is like when you're pitney bright, but just because you're poor, you can't go to good school. That's when I say, but for them rich now and for them pitney
dunce, and them gone a big school.
Big school, so that is corruption in itself, because now they can afford for the education that your child deserves. Is now you get pushed to the back burner because you don't have the funds for that.
Which is not fair.
I say, so that is it. That is what I describe as corruption. Of course, it goes deeper, but that is where I think it is. Corruption for dead at all times.
The places where you've traveled, name some of the places them for, you know.
To be very honest, when it comes to traveling, I've been to, Jamaica.
Well, you're from Jamaica, so.
I've been to America, seeing, and I'm here now.
Which part of America?
We've been through the whole of New York in 2019, touring with Bunny Wailer.
Okay, before you drop out.
Yeah, before I'm drop out, because we're supposed to do another thing in 2020, and then COVID, boom,
mash
and
up
then
everything.
when COVID come, boom, Bunny Wailer drop. Boom, and I was like, you see me, and I respect him so much because I kind of did grow a little bit with him in a way, you see me, because my father was a pitting around him community. So much till a point.
So him know you from your father?
Yeah, well, him know my father like that, and then when him say him the familiarity just step, you know?
Yeah. What's been the most exciting moment of your career so far?
Every day, I want people ask that, but tomorrow is always the most exciting opportunity for I. Anything I can do today, it might be exhilarating, but tomorrow holds like a $1 million worth of excitement. That's what I say. I guess people would maybe say the movie thing.
Yes, well, we're gonna talk about that little more still.
Yeah, people will say that. People will say like being on big shows and stuff, but I just always look forward to tomorrow excitement, you know? Yeah, man.
So what about worst experiences?
Oh, the worst experience, I can tell you the worst experience.
Yeah, man, share it with me, man.
The worst experience was, some promoter, they were like crazy fans, and I'm like, all right, man, they're in Jamaica. Them say, yo, come to the country for do this show. You go to the country, them promise you a fear for go back to your yard because you take money out of your pocket reach because you never not drive. So I say, when I reach, no food, not even dead, and as I tell you, you're broke. You can't feed yourself and the people that come with you to support you. So I say, and you're not even have fear for go back, so you end up stuck on point. And I have to dip on the road from night till morning until a man call him uncle, and him uncle call a cousin, and a cousin call a friend, and a friend come give her a drop at a point. It was so bad for me because I know the promoter was trying, but the venue was zero.
Was that in Jamaica or abroad?
In Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
In Jamaica. The venue was zero, so it was when we were really young in the thing though. You see me? What really pissed me off when it came to the moment was how he disappeared. Because I'm not the kind of person who get upset over money or anything. You see me? I was just glad for the opportunity. But when a man just leave you in a place where you don't know.
In the wilderness, you there.
You see me? And a country. So I say, so it's like I said, John no star. And when I look upon my musician brethren them and thing, and where I say, yeah, you know, some darkness.
That reach everybody, man. That reached the whole away.
It was kinda. I couldn't be afraid at the time because I was kinda like the man spearheading the group. So you know you can't show your fear.
Yeah.
So, but it was a bit scary for me because I was prepared for put on my life for anyone of my idol them at the time. So in my mind, I say anything goes. You're in front of the problem.
Yeah.
So I say, yeah.
I hear that. You're here to promote your new album. That's the reason why you're here in the UK, right?
Yeah. Big album, Kaleidoscope, you know. Yeah, man. We did 2 album listening parties the other day, Birmingham and London. I just want to give everybody thanks for forward out, like them forward out and them enjoy the moment.
Good turnout.
Yeah.
So the album Kaleidoscope, how many tracks are on that album?
We have 9 official tracks with an extra, which is a dub version of one of the tracks on the album. Seeing it's called Alright.
Okay.
But I tell you, even when I listen it puts her in a certain kind of trance. You see what I say? So, and I don't normally talk about I works like that, but it did bring her to a level. Even when the album was done, it taught me things about myself that I didn't know. So yeah.
Oh. Any collaborations with any artists?
Yeah, we have a collaboration with a big bad Albert Rosie.
Albert Rosie from Italy come from though?
Yeah, I count him as an honorary Jamaican, because him there Jamaica most of the time.
Yeah.
Say, but big up Albert Rosie, him never have to do it. It was my second song ever recorded in my whole life. Well, not recorded, second song released. So I was basically somebody who didn't have any credentials, and he heard something and he did it because he believed in a young huge talent. So give thanks to Albert Rosie, you know.
That's your first album, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How long did it take you to complete the album?
The album wasn't that long, to be very honest, because I write almost every day and I try to create almost every day.
So yeah, a whole heap of songs put on.
Yeah.
So you just pick from it. So why 9 or 10 songs on the album? Why not like 18, 19 songs?
Because you know,
cause that would sound like an EP or.
Yeah, but then again, if you create a first project, is like, you know, overwhelm them. You want them understand what your mentality is. You see, it's not I wasn't trying to show them lyrical prowess. I wasn't trying to show them vocal range. I was trying to show them the mentality of when it came to it. So you can expect more of those things when it comes to the other albums. But this was just more subtly showing you my mentality, my spirituality, the things I believe in, the things I understand.
True.
And yeah, that's what it was. We never need for oversaturate it with music either, because it felt good the way it was. You know, it's like you can't treat music like it's all you can eat buffet. Yeah, you know, when you go there and you see a whole heap of food and you pull up your plate and there you can't even done it.
Yeah, true.
So I just do it moderately. Yeah, man.
So if there was an artist who you could have collaborated with, did you reach out to any artist?
I've never reached out to any artist before to collaborate, to be very honest with you. It's not an ego thing, it's just that I believe that these things happen spiritually. See, because music is a spiritual move to I don't feel like I have to call your phone and say, come, let's make a song. I feel the moment for in front of we, and we say, yo, bro, I think we can do this. I mean? So, but
if you could have collaborated with an artist, then who would you choose?
Dead or alive?
Yeah.
See, I said it the other day at a thing, you know, I would love to collaborate with Dennis Brown. Yes, I mean, Dennis Brown is a man who I look for, not just Dennis, Sugar Minot. That's what I say. When it comes to alive, I gonna honestly say it's Raging Fire. So when I say Raging Fire is a group I've always listened to. I respect them for what they stand for. Yeah, man. And I have a lot of other dreams of collabs. So when I say, but as I said, some of them just wild. But if I could really like reach out, man, and call somebody, I'd call Raging Fire at the moment and say, yo, brother, let's do this.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean, yeah.
So you produced the album, or?
No, the album was produced by Dr. Dread. We were sitting in the studio, we were creating beats and stuff, but Dr. Dread really stepped up and came and helped us.
Where is he from? Jamaica?
Dr. Dread is from America.
Oh, okay.
Ras Record, seeing Ras, I've been hearing the history of Ras Records since.
Ras, yeah, man, we know Ras Records, man. Okay.
Very big, you know. So give thanks to Dr. Dread for that, you know.
Yeah, so the album is now available, right?
It's available now. It's out on every and any platform. It's when I say anything you can think of. Just type in J Written Kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope spelled K-A-L-E-I-S-C-O-P-E. It's what I say. And when I want to find anything about I just type in J Written. You know, not J-A-Y, just the letter J, then Written.
Okay. So when can we see you back in the UK to do a performance with a band or, you know what I say?
Well, a lot of people reach out to I about that since I've been here. Seeing the good thing is that them reach out, that mean them want to hear it. Since hopefully very soon we're working on some things for next year. 2025 looks really exciting in England. So I say when it comes to like some of these festivals and stuff, we've been communicating with them and stuff. And I really like festivals, but I really like even small spaces too. Because I feel like small spaces we get to communicate better. So I say even from Jamja them the reason about doing a live thing, live band.
Yeah, because them man they play musician them too, you know.
Yeah, so we're working on that, so very, very soon.
Yeah, man, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, man.
Do you have your own band? Or
yeah, we have.
What's the name of your band?
It's called 13 Kings.
13 members.
Oh no, it represents the place where we come from.
Oh, Kingston 13.
Yes, and 13 was such a number everybody afraid of.
Yeah, them said unlucky.
Yeah, we want to show them so we can turn our luck.
Yeah.
You see me, and the 12 kings, them have a thing with them represent the 12 kings. You see me, but 13 is a sign of renewal. Seeing if you really check out the year, there's 12 months a year. When the 13 comes, is a new one.
So by right, it's supposed to be 13 months.
We know by right, but we do it by left. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, yeah, it's a thing like that for everything always comes to fruition when you think about it spiritually and logically. So I say them combined to me. So 13 kings, you see me, we have a lot of them. And it's not just kings, you see me, even though 13 kings, we have a queen who play flute. You see what I say? She always I say, why when I say queens? You see what I say?
Kings and queen.
Because a king can't be crowned without a queen, you know?
Definitely.
I never even say that. You know.
Yeah. So have you performed with other bands like Rough Cut Band or Firehouse?
Yeah, man. Many a times we've done. You know, on certain shows you can't get for carry a band. I've performed with all of them names from Jamaica. Yeah, so I say Warrior Love, Rough Cut, Tower Band. So holy for them, Roots Impact, holy for them.
Yeah.
Holy for them. I can't even begin to mention names of bands who perform with, but we always incorporate our little musicians them. Yeah.
Yo, people, you see, J Written is not just an artist, you know, not just an engineer, a man who make beats. That man is an actor. A star.
Yeah.
If you know these things, tell us about the film that you did the other day.
One Love, you know, One Love, big up Paramount. Yeah, big up Paramount for giving that role.
So how did you get that link there? How did that make feel for starring in the film?
Well, star is a big word, but yeah.
Yeah, star,
cool, man. Yeah, I remember being reached out about from around maybe like 2019, 2020. You see me, about the movie, but they wanted me to cast as a role as Bob. You see me? So they were like, yo, I think
what? And you turn it down?
I didn't turn it down, I just didn't reply because I thought Bob was quite a big shoes for an actor. Seeing I have so much respect for him, I know my limitations. Seeing so, and I believe Kings of them do. But so when it reached, like, I think it was last year, when them email again and them were like, yo, bro, all right then, you want to come to Junior Brathwaite? And I was like, of course. But I didn't know who Junior Brathwaite was.
So you do your research?
Yeah, I do my research. I realized Junior Brathwaite was very similar to I. That's what I say. He was singing and writing songs for the Wailers. He was actually the first lead singer for the Wailers.
Was he?
Yeah, seeing. So, and then his parents took him away from music because they thought it wasn't a lucrative way to go. Seeing, so Yeah, it was kind of like I. So I say, and then
you could have related to him then.
Yeah, and then when I look on the man picture, I say, oh, this bridge in favor I so. That's what I say.
Yeah, but you favor Bob Marley too still, you know.
Well, Junior,
has anybody told you that?
Junior, and yeah, man, I want to tell you, everywhere I go, them tell me some is a Marley.
You see me? You see me?
Like, really. You see me? But I give thanks to the comparisons.
Yeah.
Maybe through the complexion, and then we're associated with Trenchtown and thing.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah. You see me? But that's how the movie happened. Them reach out for the Rope Bob and then Brathwaite, and then I said, yeah, to Brathwaite, and boom, yeah, now move, you know. I see
some people on the techie in the film for the door, take it in already. Yeah. One love, this a brother in it.
Yeah, man.
You see me, a star as who?
Yeah, a star as written, man. A star is written. Man, a star is written. You know?
No, I mean in the film, who you did that play? The actor you did that play?
I did that play written, but Junior Brathwaite was my character.
Yeah. See there.
Yeah,
man. And how long did that take? How much days of video recording or filming?
I was on set for about like 8 days.
Okay.
Like doing my scenes and stuff. Yeah, but the shoot went from the beginning, I think it was like March to like about June. So I said, but my set, I was on set for like 8 days straight, but I kept going to the set just to see everything else. So I said, because I would have the backstage privilege, so why not see it? Is it
great experience, right?
Yeah, I even include myself in another scene, like in a background.
Oh, okay.
You see me, like when Baba performed to the crowd, massive, and but the right there, so in a background, I cheer go in a crowd when I'm
see.
You see me, so yeah, man.
So from that, no, you not get no more offers to the acting.
I gotta check my email. But a lot of people.
So you're not sure?
I want to tell you, some people that reach out from Jamaica who do the acting thing. Them send a list of things where them need sometimes every now and then for auditions and stuff. I didn't go to any so far, but I plan on definitely going to a few.
Yeah, man, you figure there, man.
Yeah, me if you tell you, man, I'm good at it, you know.
You see it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Future star in the making.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you see me? About your team now, who's in your camp?
Yeah, I have
road manager.
I have the best team I can ever wish for.
Yeah, for you have man like Stewie in your corner, man. What you think?
Stewie, Obadiah, Lloyd Evans, Tony Owens.
Tony Owens, yeah, why? Man. You link with that Tony? What you say?
Dr.
Good
Dre.
people you're there around, man.
There's a lot of people, and I can't ever. I have to give thanks, because even just being here at the moment is all because of the ones them continual efforts. Yes, I say. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, is there anybody else you want to send a shout out to apart from your team?
I always want to big up people. I want to big up my mother because she teach me to keep my teeth white on screen. That's what I say. I want to big up my father. I want to big up my brother, my sister. I lost my sister the other day, but I want to tell everybody I love her. Talisha, I still big you up. I want to big up Hanif. I want to big up G-Sharp. I want to big up the whole of Trenchtown, 2 Mile, Painland. I want to big up every single body who watch this and know me and just know say I can't call every names now, but it's love. It's love, it's light. You see me? Light over darkness every time. Yeah, man.
If the people fans want to reach out to you, how can they get a contact of your social media? What's your social media? My social media pages and platforms.
When it comes to Instagram, it's J, then written. J Written Music. The music ends with a K. You know, just for like individuality. Yeah. So I say, and when it comes to any other thing, it's just type in J Written. I'll definitely be popping up. So I say there's not much J Written out there. Yeah. So I say so. Yeah,
so is it just Instagram you use?
Well, no, that's why I say, like, when it comes to like any other platforms and stuff, when it comes to like TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, just type in J Written. So I say, and I will definitely pop up right there. So it's J Written Music on Instagram, and it's J Written on every other platform.
Yeah. What about emails? If, for example, if somebody want to reach out to you for a booking or what?
Oh, definitely. You can reach out through the email at Written Official Music. This music and normally with a C.
Yeah.
So man says so it's WRITTENOFFICIALMUSIC at gmail.com. So man says so. Yeah, man.
So about phone numbers, or you don't want to give them your phone number?
Well, all of these things are attached to like the rest of them. So man say like, but I can't remember my number. I can't remember the number at all.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right. What's your message to all up and coming artists who are trying to break through into the industry like yourself?
Understand who you are and bring forth that message the right way. Don't just be something with a massive one you for be. Yes, what I say, understand that is light versus darkness, and darkness is what will always exist. All we have to do is just know, say, we channel the darkness the right way. That's what I say. So I just want to tell everyone, like, keep your light about yourself, understand who you are, understand the message you want to bring forth. Don't come out, come do what you're going to regret in the next 10 years. No, you see me? So, yeah, man.
Tell them about the album again.
Kaleidoscope. You know, Kaleidoscope is the album. We have some vinyls out in America, some coming out here. Like last night,
Them start press back vinyls again.
What?
It's a good look.
Last night I not even have enough vinyls. You see me? Everybody
people want vinyl. Them are asking for vinyl.
Yeah. So Kaleidoscope is out on vinyl. This is actually my second. I have a track out on vinyl called Millions. Seeing those are still in stores and stuff. But Kaleidoscope is fresh, you know, peppermint something on the shelf. So the ones them can reach out to anyone at the vinyls thing, them diggers I print up the thing them and everything. And yeah, as I said, it's in America and you can pre-order it now, get it mailed to you, and then look at something there, man.
Okay. Alright, before we go now, we have to make the people hear your voice. So you have to give you a cappella, you see me, so on the right. Big John New 1000, you know the thing, alright?
Yeah, man. Big John, there's no need for procrastination, cause we've got works to do, yeah. We got to be fit and strong and ready until the work is through, yeah. Cause until that day, hey, Big John shall be my friend. So whenever I pray, hey, I know Jah will light our way in times when the darkness shines its brightest, at times when the fire blazes cold, at nights when them feel they aren't anointed. Remember, Jah protects our soul, and we've got work to do, yeah. And I say many works to do. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You have some good thing, you know, just like record where people are use all they something them on your voice and them something. Yeah, you know. Proper artist, man. I want to support him, you know, give him a strength. J Written, Big John New 1000, full dancing, you understand? So, brother, respect and thanks for pass through, and I give you the strength, you know what I mean?
Everything.
You know, we're there for you, you know, anytime, anything you need, you just reach out and make true, you know. And we're there for the eye, so only for greatness in the future we know you're going to come with, and you understand, keep up the good work, and like me say, all the best for the future, you see me?
Same to the eye, man. Give thanks for the moment.
Yeah, man, heart of love
every time. Well, I don't know, it's J Written representing for BBZ2xtra for them. You understand, BBZ, we got works to do, yeah. And there's many works to do, yeah. And everything cool like Sunday morning, no, man.
Holy love, man. Thanks again, man.
Blessings.
Nice interview, you know?
Yeah, man.